This is the most affordable unit you can get right now in the market. Imagine getting this 4-bedroom unit for just 11.5 million Kenya shillings. Welcome to Home Poor. My name is JKIA and today I'm in Utawala Airways and I'm here to bring you this 4-bedroom Maisonette going for just 11.5. I'm just 3 km old Tarmac from Eastern Bypass and I'm in a gated community. This is one of the best neighborhood in Utawala, a very serene environment. And I want us to check the house. Where I'm standing, it is in a parking lot. Here you can fit up to 4 cars. You can also host an event here if you don't want guests in your house. This is the gate, and here before you enter the house, you get this space for your hanging lights. And that's not enough because you also have the same space on the other side. On your left, you have this washroom, outside washroom for your guest. You also get an electric fence for security purposes. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. You get this space, the same space that you have seen the other side of the house. You can put anything that you want here, maybe some dog kennel. And here you have this door that you can use to access your kitchen or front yard space. Let me now take you to the house. You get a nice entry porch that is well done. I love this metallic door. See how strong it is. You get a nice lighting fixture there. Welcome to your next home. Entering from the door, you get this sunken living lounge. On your left, you get a huge space for your dining area and a storage there. On this side, you get a spacious living lounge that can fit up to 10-seater depending on what you want. Or you get 3 huge windows that are letting in your natural lighting. You can see they have done well with gypsum and the light fixtures. You get a nice open kitchen. It is very spacious. You get nice countertop. You get enough cabinetry up and down here. You get enough space for your 6-burner cooker and a hood extractor. You see you have plenty of cabinets here. You get a double sink here, a window. Your kitchen is airy, and this is the door that I just showed you. You can access your front yard through it. Here is your pantry space. This is your fridge area. And this is your backyard space. Yeah, you can decide to remove these stones here and just do a kitchen garden there. Let me now take you to the first bedroom of this house. This is your first guest bedroom in this house. You see you have a nice hand wash sink here, a washroom here, maybe for the guests that will be in your house. This is your guest bedroom that is very spacious. A nice closet here. A nice closet here, and as you can see, the room is airy. Let me take you to the upper level. We see what is in there. This is your stairway that is well done. I love it. On your way to upstairs, you get these bar windows that are lighting your stairway. Also, you get a nice chandelier and a well done gypsum. This is the hallway. This is the hallway that connects you to the other bedroom. We are now checking out the second bedroom. This is your utility space. On our second bedroom, that is spacious. The natural lighting is perfect. Well done gypsum. Nice closet here. Let me open for you to see how it looks like. That's how you get the picture of how it is. This is the washroom. Remember, all bedrooms are ensuite. This can be your daughter's bedroom. And the balcony. Have so many neighbors there. To the third bedroom. This is how it is with its washroom there. A nice hand wash sink. A nice shower here. And the washroom, it is spacious. Yes, and the door. I love it. And this is the rest of your bedroom. You see, it is also huge. Can fit a 6x6 bed, and you still have enough space to walk around. This is how the wardrobes looks like. They are well done. Now to our master bedroom. I love this space. You can set up a console table here, maybe for this space not to be left empty. Come I show you the master bedroom. After entering the master, this is the first thing you see, a wardrobe. You see it is very huge. This can fit. I think the wardrobe is huge. On your left here, it is a master washroom. It is very spacious. A combined. And this is the master space. Can fit a king size bed, and you still have enough space to walk around. If you have a baby, you can set up a baby cot here. I love how the lighting fixtures are done. The gypsum, it's very, very impressive. On your master bedroom, you also get a nice balcony here. With a nice lighting fixtures. And still with so many buildings that are coming up, you will have so many neighbors. You can set up a swinging chair here just to relax, all for sunset. That is it for today. Make sure you subscribe, share our video, like, and make sure you comment. See you on the next one.